Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off security delay on iPhone. If you're using the iPhone and you want to turn off security delay, so let's see how can you do that. So if your delay is now in progress, so there is no any way to turn it off, or you can turn off for in future or for the next time that you will not see this again. So now to do that, you have to open your settings here. Very first, go for general. Go for software update, try to update your software, then go back here, go for the screen time settings, and from here select the option of content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled all the restrictions, just go back and here go for the option of Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode here, then scroll down and you'll find the option of stolen device protection. You must have to disable this from here, or if you have it enabled, so you have to try to disable this, and once you have disabled you will not get this again. So very first you have to try on the start security delay and just wait for 1 hour. Once the security delay will completed after 1 hour, you will not see this again, or your stolen device protection will be successfully disabled from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.